Hey everybody, it's time for another Tony's Tidbits. And this time it is a true tip because if you look behind me, this is basically our pantry, and it is a mess. We're going to organize these and organize the pantry using some clear boxes and some other things, which I'll show you in the next video, in the next section, about what we bought in order to organize this. Now, I don't know if we have enough things, so we'll have to figure out if we need to purchase more, but we're all in the pantry organization today. Here we go. So we bought these. This was actually at home, the store, home organization store. And so these we're gonna put line the bottom from the floor up to the first shelf at the bottom. And these we're looking at putting chips and putting other items in here. We bought a can rack organizer. So here are some wire shelves. And I'm gonna set this up, and we're gonna do like chicken broth and soups and stuff. This will be on that organizer. And then here, what we have here is oh, great. So this is our Lazy Susans. And we're trying to go with clear. So it's a clear Lazy Susan. You can see it can spin. And this has a little deeper well in it. So this is going to be there to hold some of the soy sauce bottles and stuff like that. So we want that one. Here we have let's see, it says some new packaging here. There we go. Alright, so these are the clear bins. And these bins are the ones that we're going to put in the shelves to put cans or put like other things in. Alright, sorry. This one's a little heavy. Alright, here we go. Alright. And inside this one, what we have are in this small box, this is a smaller Lazy Susan. And I think this one is, yeah. So this one we're gonna use for putting spices and like other condiments. So we're gonna put that in. And then here, in these boxes, these are identical boxes, so I won't open both of them. But in this one,
I'm gonna be right back.
are other clear bins. And these clear bins are going to be for putting in the shelves. Now, I'll have a link to all of the things that we used in the description. I'm no longer an Amazon affiliate, so I'm actually not getting compensated or anything for this. Cool thing that was unexpected is they do have these labelers, so this is pretty nice. So, all right, and we're gonna start. I won't do a time lapse. We're just gonna work on the pantry, and then I'll have an afterwards. I'll show you what it looks like. If we need more bins, you have another segment on that, and give you some final thoughts. All right, so here are all the appliances. It's pretty amazing how much can fit in your pantry. So here's your appliances. Here's all the spices, right? Here are all of the shelvings the things that were on the shelves all on this island. Pretty incredible on how much you can actually put in your pantry. So that was all there. This was typically either on a shelf or on the floor. So you can see here all your bottles, right? Tons of chips. And then here are some other items that we have that were on the shelf. So we are going to get going. Here are those clear boxes that we've already wiped down. And a labeler, of course, we need a labeler. So all of this stuff was been removed from the pantry. And here you can actually see the pantry is clear. Awesome. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is wipe down the shelving units, and we're probably going to mop here on the floor, and then we're going to get ready on organizing the pantry. All right, so we still have the appliances here. We cleared out a cabinet to put the appliances. So, and here is all the trash that we've accumulated and like broke down the boxes and stuff like that. A little trash can here, some of the old containers. Now, this is what it looks like now. So we have the organization, we have some labeling there. We do have some, like a can rack. On this side, we have those Ziploc bags in the mesh containers. We have our seasonings. We have these, we still these Lazy Susans and some, so we put like some of the most used items on this side. We have the season packets. We've used these OXO branded containers to put fried onion and garlic, and then we have another. These are one of the newer clear Lazy Susans that are there, and then we also have the big ones for the other bigger container liquid here, right? And then we also, it was a mess on the other side with all the oils, so we kind of consolidated it, got rid of some things, and we have the containers here. So that's what it looks like. I would say this organization project is a success. There's all the appliances we have. Surprisingly, we have still a lot of space, and so we could probably put a few appliances there, and we'll have an extra cabinet to put some of the lesser used items as well. So I would say that these clear bins are great because you can look in and see what's inside. They have a handle so you can really pull them out and in. And these some of them spin not so well, but you know, some of them do. So, but yeah, that's really good. These white ones spin very well. So, all right, if you're looking for a pantry organization, go out and do it. You have those bins, start to stack them, and you too can also have an organized pantry like this. All right, as you can see, we were able to get everything out, and it took about a day. There were two little ones running around and sort of getting in the way, but they were helping and they were helpful, so that's definitely a plus. So, again, if you like this video or it helped you in any way, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to receive future videos, please subscribe. Again, this is Tony with Tony's Tidbits. Until next time.